boat trout fishing out here. A YouTube fan messaged me. Out here catching trout together today. I swear every time I go I get something wrong. They won't let me go over 6 miles per hour. Limiting me where I can go. So holding Don back. He wants to catch some trout. So we're just out here in front of the St. Martin skis. Just drifting the flats. You see that first cast? You gotta put a gulp on, stop using that shrimp. It's a keeper too. See it? Pretty big one. That was first cast. Out here trout fishing. Kelly's gonna show my YouTube fans how to catch a trout. There you go. Little trout. Not a bad size. It's about 14. Yeah, they gotta be 15. I was surprised with the quality so far this morning. I mean, we're over 50% are keepers. We have 4 keepers out of 6 fish. That's pretty good. Did he fall off? All right, sling him in. Kelly's got a big one. Oh, that's a monster. Good job, Kelly. A little pinfish you just ate. That's like another nice trout. Yeah. I think he's swallowing it. Another fat trout. There you go, Kelly. There you go. That's a big one. Damn. Kelly's getting all the big ones. That's a kick. That's a kick. Good job, Kelly. I'm over here just sitting down and Kelly's slaying them. That's a keeper. They're going to slaying fish. Heavy cast. You can't even let me tie up my pole and you just bring it in. That's a keeper. Get him in. That's a big one. Dang, Kelly. Wow. What the hell? You don't even give me a chance to stand up. You're just reeling fish in. Jesus. Watch, you're going to catch another one before I even have time to measure this one. We got 6 in the box. Kelly's trying to finish the limit before even throwing another pole. This fish is crazy. Hey look, he's another keeper. You got another one? That's even bigger. Look at this. Oh, coming in hot. Wow, he's bigger than this one. She catches 3 keeper trout within 3 casts. I'm over here just taking her fish off the hook. I don't even have a chance to fish myself. Kelly's finishing the limit off by herself. Kelly's like, I want to go home. Look at this shit. I haven't even had a chance to put that one back in the box yet. Alright, I'm back in the water. Let's see if I can keep up with Kelly. I put a DOA on. She's got a gulp on. I think the scent is key. They don't seem to like this unscented lure. That's a big one. So I told you the fake lures that I use without the scent, they always seem to get bigger fish, just a lot less of them. Because this keeps the pinfish away. You got that DOA swim bait down his belly. DOA swim bait on a Thunder. Nice 18-inch trout. I got 9 keepers in the boat. Kelly's over here trying to get the 10th. Trying to finish the limit. I hope he's a keeper. He looks close. Is that number 10? A little short. real close. They're all right at 15. Does that look like 10? That's a keeper. Yep, that's a keeper. There we go. 10 trout. Look at that, Kelly. We limited. That's our 10th keeper trout of the day. That's a nice 17. Very healthy fish. Nice 17 incher. We're done, Kelly. And Don's over there slaying him. I can see him reeling in a trout right now. They like these sandy pothole areas right here.